Greetings everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to Bank Holiday Monday. I hope that you're all okay. Excuse me. To all the family members and subscribers, as always, thank you for being here. I appreciate you all. Please keep the comments coming and hit the like button if YouTube allows you to. Right, I was in B&M's yesterday and I saw this Madras curry sauce. Now, I've not seen anybody review it before, and it's from Ready Steady Cook. It's got a 3 chilli rating and it's £1, and that's what it looks like. Madras curry sauce. Ingredients: water, onion, tomato, sunflower oil, red jalapeno pepper, sugar, garlic, curry spices, ginger, cumin, coriander, turmeric, cardamom, black pepper, clove, nutmeg, white pepper, salt, lemon juice, star anise, allspice, dried parsley, bay leaf, fenugreek, preservatives, potassium sorbate and sodium benzoate. The nutritional information is there, should you wish to stop the video and take a look. So that's just the sauce, yeah? £1. I have added to it some mushroom and also some tofu. I fancy a go meat free. I'm more interested in the sauce because, as I say, I have not seen anybody review it yet. I'd be very interested to see what it's about. So, to the sauce. And there is the sauce, folks. It's quite a watery sauce. Very little flavour. It's definitely not anywhere near a Madras. And again, whoever passed this, they really should be forced to sit around the table and sort this out, because this is rubbish. They also do a whole range of curry sauces. That is absolutely rubbish. If you see it, walk past it and buy something else. That has no flavour, very little heat, very little taste. I wouldn't buy it again. I don't recommend it to you. I'm going to give it a 1 out of 10. It's that bad. Right folks, I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. If you have, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the box below, hit the bell icon for any future uploads, and above all, if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. Won't cost you a penny, helps the channel grow, and will become part of that bigger community. As always, I will say to you all, Namaste. Have a great Monday everyone. Bye for now.